Alkaline veganism is placing your health on a pedestal. It is respecting and honoring your body in such a way where you refuse to let anything harmful in. This is the type of lifestyle that a top athlete or performer would consider. Because the lifestyle offers so many health benefits, it is highly recommended for someone who wants to repair and rebuild their health as well. The term alkaline vegan simply means going back to nature, eating your native land foods and giving up all things processed, GMO, and hybrid. Giving up meat, dairy, sugar, caffeine, starches, and alcohol. You will be gravitating toward foods higher on the pH scale than a 6.0 in an effort to improve your health when fighting chronic inflammation or other serious illnesses, or when looking to be at your optimal best health. There are tools, resources, and programs that can help you transition into alkaline veganism. You just have to know the proper first steps and a few recipes to help you get started. Please visit our website and grab this free premium download to help you get started today.